Okay. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I hope you guys are having a great day and enjoying this market. Right, there's no reason you should be sad with this market because MSL for the last 6 to 8 months, the accuracy has been through the roof. I think the best guidance we could give and the understanding in the room by many traders, admins, mods. Congrats, a lot of hard work. Right, so congrats. Every move that happened, we pretty much saw it coming. Why? Because of our research done, understanding the options world, the data, gamma explorers, whatnot. There's so much. Now moving on, SPX. I just want to say one thing. We're going to be opening up green. Looks like it, right? We're up nice pre-market, and I do have the SPX, which is 24 hours here, so you'll see it moving. Um, right, and we are in a call spread that I bought in yesterday. I locked in some profits. T also has the 4,000 calls, which should be up huge at the open today. It's up to you to manage because there's some new set of data that came in. Earlier, we had 3,700 as a strong support, right? But based on yesterday and today morning of VIX adjustments, we'll see how that goes. There's a new door that has opened towards 3,600. Now, I'm not saying we're going to 3,600. I'm not even saying that we're going towards 3,700. But all I'm saying is stay open-minded. Make sure you guys know these things, so it helps. All right. 3,700 is a strong support, obviously, but if you break it, let's say Fed announces something, the market does not like it. If there's any quick reaction to a downside or whatever it may be, we could go test 3,600. So keep that in mind. It's absolutely possible. Everyone's expecting a rally to the upside with the Vanna and Charm, which has to do a lot with volatility and time decay. Yes, so am I. I've taken some profits on my spread yesterday. I'll probably take up all today before FOMC, then I'll enter again. But for now, just know this. If you're looking for a rally, there's a good chance that we might even go visit all the way towards 3,600. All right, keep it in mind. But again, after FOMC, as long as everything kicks in, if the Vanna shows up, if Vanna and Charm show up, me or LB, one of us is going to catch it, and we will alert that it's there, and we'll do great. All right. And always, you have to manage your position sizing. Always, that's something I repeat every morning. I hope you guys take advantage of it. It helps. Without position sizing, there's no trading. With this, you can do great. And if your account is down or anything from the last 6 months, 1 year, save majority of your cash, go in small, because there will be an opportunity when the market is bottoming and you can nail that bottom and make all that money back within a few months. All right, but you have to be patient. Okay. Personally, I'm doing great on my account and looks great. One of my accounts, it's a little down from last year, right? Because it had exposure to equities and stuff, which I'm working on now. Which is fine. I mean, it's part of the market, right? I'm very transparent. I don't lie or anything, right? So yes, I also face red. Okay, it happens, but then you have to be very patient to come out of that red. And but again, at the same time, my day trading account is flying through the roof, and I'm very happy about that, right? So that's good. And so keep this in mind. Apart from this, for now, until FOMC, until 2:30, I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's see what happens. Maybe there will be volatility until 2:30. We'll get some rips and dips, both. I doubt we have one direction into FOMC unless there's something that goes on the Euro side, if you guys are paying attention there, right? A lot of my focus is there as well these days to learn some new things there, and let's see how that goes. All right, and so that's SPX for you guys. I mean, I don't know what else to cover today, to be honest. This is the most important. Any chart I go over, I can draw all the trend lines, I can draw all the wedges. They're all useless right now until FOMC. But this chart also, if I look at the daily, it's pretty ugly. It's not a good look, right? This is not a good look. All the way, a nice, very nice little downtrend. And if we can get this kick all the way towards 3,900, 4,000, this zone will be a great opportunity to reshort again if we do get the rally up to here. That too, if we get it. They can absolutely flush the market and make this the top 3,900 for many months that we can stay underneath. And we might not even see 4,000 for the next 6 months. I hope you guys know this. To know this, go back historically in 2008 and whatnot, and you guys will see the charts, right? But for now, I think if we test around 4,000, 4,100, that will be great, especially this zone. And I can maybe load up some more positions. Oh, another thing, banks, apparently, they're canceling their buybacks and whatnot. I don't know what exactly. I gotta read up more on it, right? XLF, keep an eye on it because this sector looks terribly bad, right? And if we lose these supports, we have 29 and 27 and all the way towards 24 on banks. All right, this is XLF. So if we go with JPM, anyone that kept asking me about JPM puts, I hope you're out. I locked in my 100% profits, but they're going for even more now. Yesterday they hit over $9. right? I took my profits here on this candle, which was great on support, but we even broke lower. So I'm looking to add bank puts again, either lower or hopefully on a bounce around 120, 124 on JPM if I can get one. All right. So JPM, Goldman Sachs, these are some of the names I'm looking at because their future does not look bright at all. Even Bank of America, these options pay a lot. From 10 cents they go to $1 on Bank of America, right? And what else we have here? So no Judd, are you expecting 75? I'm not expecting nothing. 50, 75, 1. I have no idea. It's all talk before anything happens. I can expect what I want, but if they announce 50, the market actually might not like it. We might even dump. All right. If they announce 75, I think market might give a neutral reaction that okay, they're working on it. And if they announce 1, we might have some pain, but the market might like that more in the coming weeks. All right. The higher they raise, the better it will be for the market in the coming months. All right. The faster we recover. But again, I don't know. 75 is the number they're saying, but again, they can absolutely mislead us. So I'm not even thinking nothing until they announce it, right? So let's see what they announce. And also, guys, there's a lot of things going on Europe. So please pay attention there. Look at some news, what's going on with ECB and whatnot. That will help with some. If it doesn't, if you get confused initially, when you start learning those things, the information is confusing. But once you start reading it, you catch up on it. It becomes easy. All right. And until FOMC, let's see what happens. Manage. That's all I can say. Tesla also, I took my profits yesterday, right at the bottom almost, which was a great exit, I think. And HK, Kemani, thank you for your inputs on that. And I'm looking to short Tesla again. This is one name I'm going to swing puts on. Why? Because 700 is no longer a target hold on Tesla because of the options that were adjusted this week. And this 700 structures are gone, and now we see what happens. Now Tesla can actually free fall further. And my equity loadings are right here. I'll just go over it. My first equity load will be right here in this zone. All right. And my second equity load, are you guys ready for this? It's roughly right here. This candle right here, which is in the 300s. And some of you guys hate me for saying this because you guys are so in love with Tesla. So am I. I love Tesla. That's why I want it. And I hope it comes down. And if you love Tesla, you should hope that it comes down too, right? So we can load up on this great equity. And this will be my final add in here. If it goes below this, it's probably done for many years. Then anyways, then I won't even touch it. Then I'll just keep on to the equity. But my first scale in will be right here. And then second will be right here. With this, God bless. Chinese names, Andrew. Chinese names. I'll just go with K-Web. Look, if the entire market is weak, if they give us weakness, then China will also be pressured by weakness. The only thing I can see with China is that they will just hold levels. Right now, it's making a little curly pattern here. I can see it. It's trying to form a base, which is good. So maybe they just stay in range for some time, right? So they might stay in range for some time. But China's not about to go anywhere. I know when people say China will lead. Yes, they will lead when the market overall is stronger. They can lead. They can have a better percentage than the American names. But right now, America is not going to go down. Europe's not going to go down. And all of a sudden, Chinese names are going up. I don't know if that's going to happen, right? It's very tricky, right? So let's see. I have no say for Chinese names just yet. I am patiently waiting for some things. Maybe a few months, and then we see what happens. And with this, guys, thank you so much. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you haven't. God bless. We'll see you guys again. Well,